Okay, kids, how are you doing? You found one of my lessons. This is going to be an incredibly short lesson on something very simple to do on the TI Nspire. I highly recommend the TI Nspire CX. I think it is an absolute amazing calculator and it will really help you out in the classroom. I am not paid by TI. I receive no endorsements from TI, although I would like to. I don't. So I'm doing this for you. These are very simple videos on how to do these different features. Now, all of these can be found at www.nkinfinity.com. There's links on where to buy the calculator from. There's a link on how to get it from TI, and you can just rent it. You can rent it in the same way I'm going to use a calculator. So you need to have a computer. It can't be a Chromebook. It would have to be a computer that can use the calculator. And let's see, it would look just like my calculator here, just like this. Oops, just like this. Exactly like this. It's just a computer emulator. And that's what I'm going to be doing in class today. In class. All right, all I'm going to do is show you how to graph linear functions. I'm going to do 3 examples, and then we'll be done. I'll show you a little bit more as I do those 3 examples. And I'm actually going to do all 3 of them on the same graph and show you how you can pick and choose. So the easiest way to get into graph mode, if you click the home button, you can either click on this, which will actually start a new document. Now, documents can be saved, they can be transferred to computers, they can be sent to other calculators. That's document. Generally, I would suggest you just go into B. You just click on B. And what this is it's called the scratch pad. And what the scratch pad is, kind of like a piece of scratch paper you're just going to throw away. You're not going to worry about saving it. You're not going to worry about doing anything with it. You're just going to scratch it. It's just scratch pad. All right. So instead of using Y, this will use f of x. And all I'm going to do is graph this function that's over here. 3/4 x minus 1 right here. All right. So if you don't see where to type in, just hit the tab button. And if that bothers you and you hate that, just go back to the home button and then just click on B again. And it'll be right there. Now, in order to get a fraction, the easiest way to get a fraction is just hit Control Division. Control Division. Now, there's another way to get it. If you hit this button that's right above the times button, click the one right above the times button right here. And it's right here. Do you see it right here? Oh, I turned to that. That's weird. So it's right here. I can click on that and hit enter. Of course, sometimes the emulator doesn't work as well. By the way, if you get into something you want to get out of, just click the escape button. So I can do this, hit the up arrow, and then just hit enter. And then I can do that, or I can just do Control Division. 3/4 x. Not 2x, just 1. Minus 1. Enter. Done. There it is. Oh, you didn't mean minus 1? Maybe you meant minus 3. Or maybe you meant plus 5. Let's say we meant plus 5. So hit menu. No, hit the tab button. And it says, okay, what's the second function? Wait, where'd my graph go? Think about it being this way. Whatever you type in, when it comes to get to the next one, when it thinks you're going to put the next graph in, you just go hit the up arrow and it'll take you back to what you want. You said, oh, I didn't want minus 1. I wanted plus 3. Oh, okay. I just hit plus 3. Done. All right. Now let's say I want to graph this one, this minus 2x plus 5. You probably can't see it because it's behind my big bald head. All right. Some reason. That's not liking me over there. Ah, there you go. All right, so 2x minus 5. I'll put that one on the same graph. So in order to put that one on the same graph, we just hit the tab button. It says, okay, what's your second function? All right. Now, you don't put the minus button in. That's a subtraction button. That's subtraction. This is negative. This button down here is negative. That one is subtraction. So negative 2x plus 5. Hit enter. Boom, there it is. Oh, shoot, I didn't mean plus 5. I meant plus 2. So I'll hit the tab button. Now notice it says, what's F3? I don't want F3. Hit the up arrow. There's where F2 is. And click back and said, I only wanted plus 2. Oh, there it is. Okay, I just shifted it down. All right, and then hit the tab button. We're going to do one more equation. Negative 5/3. I'm going to do Control Division. I think it's the easiest. Control Division. It's 2 strokes. Negative 5 hit the down arrow to get to the bottom, 3. Hit the right arrow to get out of fraction mode, x plus 1. And hit enter. I'm like, oh man, that black one is right on top of the red one, and I really only need to see the black one and the blue one, but I don't have to see the red one. I want to get, but I'm going to need the red one later, so I don't really want to delete it, or I don't want to start over. So what you can do is, let's say you wanted to just see the blue one and the black one, but not the red one, and we want to get rid of that red one. We'll hit the tab button. Now it's saying, okay, what's your fourth function? Remember, 1 here is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, and this is ready for 4. So if I want to get to that red one, notice if I click the up arrow, oh, that's the black one. No, I want the black one. See how it's black right here? I want the black one. Click the up arrow. Oh, the red one, that's the one I want to get rid of. If all you do is uncheck that button, it's gone. And then hit escape, and there it is. Now all I see is the red and the blue. Very simple video on how to graph linear functions. I've got quadratics, exponential, radical. I got all of them online, but they're all going to be short little snippets, so it's designed to give you a short video on what you want to see right now, not have to scrub through 30 minutes. If you don't see something on the list at nkinfinity.com, shoot me an email. Say, hey, Mr. Krause, this is what I want to see. I don't know how to do blah, 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 blah. And I'll do it. Okay? Goodbye, kids. Catch you on the flip side.